Hello everyone. What is the average salary of a cleaner in Jordan? The estimated average annual gross salary is $5,080, or roughly $423 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $4,699, or about $392 each month. In Amman, the average annual gross salary is higher, at $5,994. That is roughly $500 per month. The average net salary there is $5,544, or about $462 monthly. These figures can change with experience, qualifications, and the type of workplace. Entry-level cleaners may earn less, while senior cleaners can earn roughly double in some jobs. Hotels, hospitals, and night shifts may also pay more. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.